Welcome back to my channel. I haven't been active a lot on YouTube or anywhere, so yeah, I'm sorry about that. I be working from Monday through Friday from 6:30 to 2:30, so I be getting out tired. So yeah, for today's look, I wanted to do like a grayish silver look. So I did my base. The only thing I didn't put on was blush or highlighter, so you can see my bake. So we're gonna go into the Alien palette and take a fluffy brush, and we're gonna start off with just a little bit of X-Files with tall gray. Flat brush, and we're gonna go into tall gray and put it in the inner corner and on the outer corner. We're gonna take a little bit of black hole too. Then we're gonna take some NYX glitter primer with your finger. You're gonna tap it on straight in the middle. Pluto. And then for the under eye, we're just gonna do Ghost OG and tall gray. I was thinking about doing white eyeliner, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll be back with liner and lashes on too. So I'll be back. I'm back, and I just end up using black eyeliners. We're gonna be using the Festival by Julius, but we're gonna take the the Morphe E48, and we're gonna be taking that color. So now I'm going into the Alien palette, and we're taking tall gray, and we're like tapping the eyeshadow down the eye. And we're going to be taking some of those rhinestones that we used the last time. Honestly, I think I'm gonna have to put some lash glue on here because they're not that sticky. You can put them at random or in order, wherever you want to do. I'm kind of putting them at random. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna put some like liquid latex, so basically I was trying to do like a clown look with this. So yeah. So I'll be back in a second. So yeah, we're just gonna move on to the lips. So this is Medusa from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. But yeah, that's the end of the clown makeup. And wait, let's do like a little dot. Now that's the end of the clown makeup look. Of course, it's bedazzled because you know I'm extra. But yeah, leave a like, comment down below what else I should attempt to do or do, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for 21 followers. Like, I love you guys. Like, thank you. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and I will start posting normally. I'm sorry that I haven't posted normally, but yeah. I love you guys, and see you guys in the next video. Being sus, he was shady enough, but now he's just a shadow. My boy's being sus, and he don't know how to cuss. He just sounds like he's trying to be his friend. Please me, baby, turn around and just tease me, baby. You know what I want.